Good morning all, and may peace be upon you all. Today we will solve two questions, and those questions are from quadratic equation, and questions are out of book, and these questions are important questions. Okay, and 2-3 times these questions are asked in exam. See carefully. Let's start with the first question. If the length of the rectangular field is 3 times its breadth, length of the rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. So we have to consider breadth as x. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field. Suppose is x. If we consider breadth as x, what is saying? Length is 3 times its breadth. I'll draw the figure and show you. Suppose breadth of the rectangular field is x, then length will be 3 times its breadth. 3 times means 3 into x. Times means multiplication with sign will come. 3 into x. The length of the rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. So 3 into breadth of the rectangular field, 3x. Now I will write length of the rectangular field. Length of the rectangular field is or will be 3x. Why? Because it is given in the question, length is 3 times its breadth. We have to find both the sides. We have to find this side as well as this side. And area of the rectangle is given in the question. Area of the rectangular field is 147 meter square. We will write it down. Area of rectangular field is equal to 147 meter square as given in the question. 147 meter square. Area of rectangle, we know it is length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. I am writing length into breadth is equal to 147 meter square. Now in our problem, length is 3x. Length is 3x into breadth is x, which is equal to 147 meter square. So I will not write it meter now. 3x into x will be 3x square, which is equal to 147. Now transfer 3 to right hand side. When you transfer, it will go to the denominator, divided by 3. It is coefficient of x square. As I said in my previous videos, when you transfer the coefficient will go to the denominator. Now divided, 3 ones are 3, 4s are 12. 2 remains, this number will become 27. It will be 3 9s are 27. So this will be x square is equal to 49. Now transfer square to right hand side. It will be plus or minus under root of 49. Now x is equal to plus or minus 7. If two values are there, one is plus, another is minus, we always consider plus value. So x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. We got the value of breadth. We got the value of breadth. We have to find the value of length. We can write breadth of the field. Breadth of the field is equal to 7 meter square. Now length of the rectangular field, length of the field, length of the field is equal to, we know it is 3x. Now 3 into value of x is 7. 3 7s are 21 meter square. We got it. So this is how we can find the size of the rectangular field. Now